Yeah.
Hey everybody, we're at the First Party Claims Conference up in Providence, Rhode Island, and I happen to be with a good friend of mine, Jay Feinman, who is an insurance law professor at Rutgers. And Jay, it's good to see you here.
Thank you, Chip.
Now, I know you just finished a book, Delay, Deny, and Defend, right?
Delay, Deny, Defend, Why Insurance Companies Don't Pay Claims and What You Can Do About it.
Why don't you tell everybody a little bit about your book?
Well, insurance is the great protector of the standard of living of the American middle class, but only when it works. And what I found was it doesn't always work. Insurance companies want to delay payments, deny valid claims, force policyholders to litigation to get what they're entitled to.
Now, I know that law professors, unlike some attorneys, really do their research before you publish things out there and all your colleagues have an opportunity to read it. Why don't you tell everybody a little bit about what you've done to go ahead and get this research so everybody else can read about it?
Well, it took me 2 years to write this book. I did a lot of research, found that a lot of the information came from trial lawyers like you through discovery and litigation against insurance companies. A lot of it is publicly available. Some of it was not easily discovered. But there's a lot of information out there that I tried to put together, tell a story about what's happening in insurance today.
So, if somebody were to read this, I have, what do you hope somebody can gain from reading this book?
Well, I think the ordinary consumer needs to understand that the insurance company is not your friend, but the insurance company isn't your enemy either. Insurance companies in business to make a profit. And the way they often make a profit is by holding back some of what you're entitled to when you file an insurance claim. They make investment income when they keep it longer, and they make even more money if they don't pay you all that you're entitled to under your policy.
I can appreciate that. I'm a big believer in the product of insurance. A lot of insurance company claims adjusters and I think executives are amazed when I say that, but I really believe in the product, and I just think the product sometimes is not served just right. So I applaud your book for that. Now, what kind of feedback have you gotten from others after you've written it?
Well, a lot of the consumers are very interested in this because people have individual experiences where they're disappointed with their insurance company, or maybe they were satisfied with their insurance company, but they didn't know they were getting all they were entitled to. The reaction from the insurance industry has been a little different. Bob Hartwig, the leading spokesman for the Insurance Information Institute, called it preposterous, which I take as a compliment, frankly.
Coming from Bob, I think that'd be a compliment too. Exactly. So no matter what, the insurance company's right, the consumer's wrong, no matter what. I've never heard Bob ever say anything different, so that's right on par with what Bob says.
Indeed.
Well, let me ask you this. Where else are you speaking? Where can people come hear you speak? You're speaking tomorrow, aren't you?
I'm speaking here at the First Party Claims Conference on insurance fraud and bad faith. The insurance industry has mounted a campaign to convince people that insurance fraud is a major problem. It is a problem, but I think it's exaggerated, and we need to make sure insurance companies don't use that as an excuse to deny valid claims. And then I'll be at other...
I hate to interrupt you, but I think...
You appreciate that,
I think my comment is the way insurance companies often say things is that everybody who has a claim is committing some type of insurance fraud. If that's true, insurance is probably the most effective product ever sold in America, the world, because it makes an otherwise innocent person into a crook, which is unbelievable, and it is unbelievable, but the insurance company still says it. So,
well, that's right.
You're speaking on this tomorrow.
I'm speaking on this tomorrow, and it's social marketing. It's just like convincing us that Smokey the Bear wants you to prevent forest fires, except here the people doing the marketing have a profit interest in making sure you alter the behavior. They want to make sure you don't file as many claims. They want to make you afraid of asserting your claims. And I just think it's wrong, and we need to do something about it.
Well, I think from the insurance industry, there are lobbyists and propagandists like Bob Hartwig. I often say, you call it social marketing, I call it propaganda. And it's been going on for a long time, and I'm glad you're stepping up and doing some real research about it to show the truth about what's going on. Now, if somebody wanted to find out, where your book is, how they could order it, and things like that, what's the easiest thing to do?
It's easy. It's generally available. The best thing to do is go to www.delaydenydefend.com, and all the information's there, and you can download a free chapter.
This has been great. One of the reasons why I go to claims conferences like this and speak is because I get to run into colleagues such as Jay, and we learn an awful lot from one another. This is the First Party Claims Conference. This is the second time it's been here. It's right here in Providence, Rhode Island. It's a great time of the year. to come up with, the leaves changing and things like that. And if they have it again next year, I hope everybody has an interest in first-party claims gets a chance to come up.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.